Hello guys. Today's tutorial is gonna be how to change your iPhone's location so you can trick your friends, family, stuff from where you are. Uh, I learned this because I wanted to change my Mobile Legends location so I can get titles, which works. I promise you this. The this is this will 100% work. So of course you wanna go over here. I will leave the link down in the description, but unfortunately you will need the computer and your cord, which of course you have because you have an iPhone. Yeah, so you get those two ready. So what you're gonna do is just go over here and download it. So oh shit, just install it. I'm just gonna install it for now and talk to you guys. This is gonna be like much more simpler than the last tutorial. Uh, Last tutorial was like it's trash, man. Like um, audio is bad. Like legit audio is bad, man. I can't even hear myself. That's how bad that was. But hopefully, it helps some people, you know. And you should say this once it's like done. You can pay for the app. But yeah, we're not gonna that because I'm broke. And once the installation's done, you just wanna hit start now and get started. Now it's gonna say this, so you just you just wanna plug your uh, iPhone in there, your cord. So I'm just gonna quickly do it. I say quickly, but this is gonna be pain in the bottom. So I'm just gonna quickly like do it. I can't see. I like legit can't see. Okay, I'm just gonna plug it right here. Okay, so it's gonna say that when I hit trust, and that should say that. Now it's gonna say alright, well, okay, say trust. I just wanna hit trust. If it doesn't answer right away, yeah, there it's connected. Now, as you can see, oh well, okay, as you can see, alright, what you wanna do is you go hit this little button right here, hit that, and once you hit that, you're just gonna, where do you wanna go? So find where you wanna go. For example, I wanted to go uh in like Mexico. Mexico, yeah. So okay, let's go love uh Virgin Nicaragua. Fine. Hit that and just hit move. You can like you don't have to do this. And cancel, hit move. What? Wait. Yeah, one, see? I guess. Wait, I think I did mine. That's why it's not telling me, but I did mine. So trust me, this works 100%. I guarantee it. I can't for right now because I've already done it. You can do this. Just trust me, this works 100%. Okay. Like you just need to do that. Okay. If you guys want any more proof, we start the simulation. Go here. I changed my location to like somewhere in Svalbard. Yeah, this one. I moved to that location, but it's like see you can use one teleport once you reach it out. But anyways, that concludes our tutorial. I try it. Okay, I promise you you will not be disappointed. It's only I think it's saying this because I like didn't uninstall it completely. I just like get rid of the document and install it for you guys. But yeah, I think once you install it, you can like unlimitedly use it. But think it like knows my cell phone, so yeah. Okay, so yeah, that's what you want to do. That concludes our tutorial. So if you guys want any more tutorials, you can like comment down below. Of course, no one's gonna comment because I have 9 subscribers, but that doesn't mean they watch. So yeah, goodbye for now. Love y'all and watching. Bye bye.